Looking to build your dream home or upgrade your space? Adex Building Contractor has you covered. We specialize in residential and commercial construction, renovations, and complete project management, all delivered with quality, speed, and precision. From beautiful homes to smart business spaces, our work speaks for itself, and so do our satisfied clients. Let's bring your vision to life. Call Adex Building Contractor today at 0807 557 8388 or visit us in Ibadan, off Iowa Road, Oju Expressway. With Adex Building Contractor, you're building more than just walls, you're building your future.